April. What are you doing, pretty bird? April. Hello, April. Why not? April. Why not? Why not? What are you doing, April? April. April. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Check out Fredericksburg for less. All for pet grooming has 2 locations. Fredericksburg on Point Road and Locust Grove and Freeway Drive. You can get your certificate at either of those locations. So spend your money wisely. Head over to fredericksburg.com or check out Fredericksburg for less. We get that deal going until those supplies run out.
Your fishing trip? Did you pack the bar? Is that like I see in the back of the car?
Come on, Twisted Tea.
I can see why. Twisted Tea, real iced tea taste with the kids.
I don't know. One of the guys was not good in there.
Oh, come on. I bet you're craving the real iced tea taste with Twisted Tea.
I know.
It's so refreshing.
It is.
It's so smooth.
What are you doing, April?
But if you want me to take it out.
I'll do it. We might have one or several.
Twisted Tea, real iced tea taste with the kids.
Twisted Tea Break in Cincinnati, Ohio. Drink responsibly.
April. Why not?
Light cold overnight, patchy clouds below 17. For Wednesday, cold intervals of clouds.